All right, man. What's good? What is good? Just finished up at good old 24-hour fitness and hit a good leg day. So I've been meaning to start doing this for a while now, but I'm gonna start posting my splits, my exercises, and talk about how my workout went, what I think went well, what I think I could improve on next time, and kind of share with you my thoughts and give you guys maybe some advice on, you know, what works well and how I think I could improve. And I know I've gotten some comments lately on, you know, since I drive to the gym, most videos that I'm recording content, got some comments on like, hey, you know, share with us, you know, what your workouts are, sort of just talking about that. So here's my split, not my split, but my leg day routine today, what I hit. And I'm kind of coming off low-key like a little bit of a lower back injury still. Months later, it's still kind of, there's like this lingering pain that I get in my lower back. And keep that in mind. Like, I used to go super heavy on squats and deadlifts, and I'd have more of like a robust routine. Look at the Christmas lights, man, how beautiful. It's my first time seeing those, I think. Of course, this is gonna be super backed up. We're off to the races. So, with that being said, man, take care of your lower back. Don't go crazy. Don't ego lift. You know, I've been there. I've done that in my days. I used to love lifting heavy. And now that my lower back is sort of effed up, I can't really go that heavy because a lot of that, this is crazy. A lot of your movements, especially with legs, any sort of hinged movements, bent over rows, back row, you know, any sort of row movements, stuff like that. For your back, obviously, but for your legs too, like your lower back really plays a huge role in that. So protect your lower back. Word of the fuck is this, bro? This is crazy. I swear, man, people really don't know how to drive here. It's okay though, that's okay. So anyways, like I was saying, take care of yourself. Don't go crazy in the gym. If you don't got it, if you don't got the strength, don't go crazy. Some people got the strength. They can squat 500, deadlift 700, whatever. I'm not talking to you, obviously, if you got it like that, but. So I kept my lift pretty basic. A lot of it was machine work, kettlebell work, dumbbell work, stuff like that. This person gonna go? What's going on? I gotta fix my mirror low-key a little bit. I'm not going heavy, going a little light. I don't put my weight in these. I'm not gonna put my weight in these screenshots because I just don't feel like that's relevant. If you guys are interested in how much I lift and stuff like that, I'm happy to, but I just think to apply concepts to a broader audience, weight's unnecessary. A lot of this stuff is like 70, 75% to max, 80% to max. So do with that what you will, but yeah, man, overall solid workout. I'd say what really killed me was the lower back extensions at the end. That's where you know, we have these little, like, you lock your legs in kind of at like a 45-degree angle and then bend down and swing up, and hits your lower back muscles, and I've just been trying to rehab my lower back, so it's been firing. But yeah, dude, overall pretty solid lift. I started with single leg hamstring curls on the seated machine. You'll see, you know, my exercises, I do 12 reps, 10 reps, 8 reps, 8 reps. So started with that, got the legs all warmed up, and that was really good. And then I moved right over to straight-legged deadlifts. Same thing, 12, 10, 8, 8. I was really careful on that one because I didn't want to tweak my lower back. A lot of this was just to get my lower back used to these hinged movements again, because I haven't been doing them for a long time, and that felt really good. And then I moved over to I don't know if they're called goblet squats. I honestly can't remember off the top of my head, but holding a dumbbell, not a dumbbell, a kettlebell right here in front of my chest, put a plate on the ground, put your heels on the plate, elevated front squats with the kettlebell right on your chest, kind of leaning it into your chest, and really focusing on slow movements on the way down and exploding out. Same thing there, 12 reps, followed by 10, followed by 8, followed by 8. And overall, this time of night is really bad in the city, so yeah. I can't remember what I moved on to next. I think I did like seated quad extensions, leg curls, leg extensions, not curls. And then I went to adductors, hip adductors, outer thighs. That's for my tight hips, loosens up the hips. And then I just finished on calf raises and lower back extensions, man. So overall, pretty solid. If I had to rate the lift out of 10, I don't know, man, probably rate it like a 7. I think naturally it's a good set of exercises if you guys want to try it out for a light leg day. You could obviously up the weight and go make it a little harder. I'm not gonna do that though, because I can't hurt my back, and I feel like an old man saying that, but I kind of am an old man. I'm not even gonna lie to you. So pull up to my local grocer, and we're gonna get some dinner for me and my lady. So yeah, man. But anyways, man, that's that. Yeah, that's all I got. So let me know, man, if you like these videos, if you like hearing about me talk about my exercises, my lifts, trying new things out, giving you guys a little bit of free game. Appreciate you watching. Let me know if you like the workout content, the workout niche paired with a nice little POV drive. Happy to make videos kind of sharing free game about my exercises and how they work out for me, what works well, what doesn't work well. So let me know in the comments, man. Subscribe for more POV drives, content of the sorts, exercises, things like that. Obviously that's my goal, is to give you guys some lifestyle content that vibes well with you. And that's it for me, man. I'm gonna go get some groceries, go home, cook some dinner, and go to sleep. So until next time, drive safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.